The surprising health benefits of cinnamon. Today, we're diving into the aromatic world of cinnamon, a spice that not only adds flavor to your favorite dishes, also boasts a treasure trove of health benefits if you're curious about the magic hidden in this humble spice. Let's explore the surprising health benefits of cinnamon that might just make it your new kitchen superhero. At the heart of cinnamon's benefits is its potential to regulate blood sugar levels. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable addition for those managing diabetes or looking to stabilize their blood sugar levels naturally. Cinnamon is a true antioxidant powerhouse. It has various compounds, such as cinnamaldehyde, that exhibit strong antioxidant properties. Cinnamon has been linked to potential heart health benefits. It may contribute to lower cholesterol levels. Its improved cardiovascular health. It can be a tasty addition to your heart-healthy lifestyle. The surprising link between cinnamon and cognitive function. These compounds in cinnamon can support brain health, potentially offering cognitive benefits whether sprinkled on your morning oatmeal or added to a warm beverage. The traditional uses of cinnamon as a natural remedy for maintaining a healthy and resilient immune system. Inflammation is a common culprit in many health issues, and cinnamon comes to the rescue as an anti-inflammatory. Cinnamon might just be your brain's new best friend. Cinnamon has long been recognized for its antimicrobial properties. We'll explore how it may help fight various infections from bacterial to fungal. The traditional uses of cinnamon as a natural remedy for maintaining a healthy and resilient immune system. This spice not just for its delightful flavor but also for the incredible health perks it brings. If you found this information valuable, share this video with other spice enthusiasts. Here's to the magic of cinnamon and a healthier, more flavorful life.